Here's a look at the WaveGenius.com top 20 tech wave counts. I chose the best 20 techs from a huge list of techs that I usually trade and that I've analyzed online and looked through and scanned and blah blah blah, and chose 20 top techs. And these were counted. These wave counts are from August 24th, 2010, as you can see here. And for further proof, take a look at this. 1 second. Open file. Top 20 tech. And as you can see here, created 8:25:10, 7:33 a.m. So later that night, I made a PDF copy of all this, and as you can see here in my Mac, August 25th, 2010, 7:33 a.m. And that's the proof that I this is the date that I counted all this. And this is very important because many of you are like, oh, hocus pocus and blah blah blah. No, as you can see here, there's no BS. Anyway, you'll be shocked when you see this because I'm going to be detailing this step by step so all you guys can see that my method is incredible and it should be mainstream and all over the place, but anyway, let's start. Oracle. I said the best case scenario for Oracle is in a wave 2 that holds 19 minimum and rallies back over 26.5 to set up a wave 3 to as high as 37.40. It was trading at 22.50, and I said it would rally back over 26.50, 80% chance, 80% chance, and to as high as 37.40. Where is it now? Let's find out. Oracle. Oracle. Wow. It's 32, 31, 32, and it was, what was it? It was 22 and a half. That's one right. So I'm 1-0 right now. Let's mark them. Let's mark that down. Hold on a second. 1-0. Okay. Next, Cisco. I'm pretty sure I was wrong, but this is only I believe there's only 3 that were wrong in this entire list. So this one's probably wrong. Let's see. Ugh. Hold on. Cisco. Best case scenario, it holds 18-19, rallies back over 28. All right, Cisco. Actually, that's not wrong. It hit 19. And where was it? It was 21 and hit 19 and held. So that's not wrong. That's not wrong. Okay. So 1-0 and 1. 1-0 and 1. Okay. Whoop. Okay. What's the next stock? Next stock is MCHP. Okay. Best case scenario for MCHP. It holds 0.618 at 23 and rises back up for over 32. Set up a 3 to as high as 45. I said there's a 70% chances in the best case scenario. It was at 28. Okay. MCHP. Ooh. It was where? 28? It is now 35. And it can get to as high as 45. That's correct. It robbed back up for 32. That's correct. 2-0 and 1. 2-0 and 1. Next, HPQ. Best case scenario, it holds 36.37 and rise back over 54.55. Let's find out. HPQ. Yeah, it held 37 right on the nose and rally back over 46 or 45. I would call that right. It held right at 0.618. Not bad. 3011. I'm undefeated right now, guys. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Next up is Corning glassware. Best case scenario is in a wave 2 zigzag that holds 13 and rallies back over 21 to form a third wave to as high as 32 to 35. 70% chance in the best case scenario. Okay, let's find out. Corning. Corning. It holds 13, which it did, and rises back over 21. It's at 19.5, not bad. That's correct. 4-0-1. Woo-hoo! Next, ADP. ADP. Best case scenario, it holds 0.618 at 37.50. It was at 38.5. And rallies back over 46 to form a third wave to as high as 55.57. Let's find out. ADP. Wow, 48. It holds 0.618, 37.5, which it did. Right on the nose. Rise back over 46, which it did. That's correct. Correctamundo. 5-0-1. Unbelievable. Whoops. Keep on clicking on that. Alright. Next. Qualcomm. Best case scenario for Qualcomm, it holds 28 and rises back over 57 to form a third wave to as high as 88.90. Qualcomm. Wow. So where is it? It was at 38. And I said it would rally back over 57 to form a third wave. Well, it went from 38 to 52. So that's right. Absolutely right. 6-0-1. I mean, a lot of these guys haven't hit the targets yet, but they will. So I say right is up a lot from where my target is, and you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, ISRG. Best case scenario for ISRG, it holds 0.618 at 200 and rises back over 385 to set up a third wave to as high as 680 to 700. I think that's wrong. I think it's wrong. ISRG. Let's see if it's wrong. Pretty sure it's wrong. Yeah. It holds 0.618 at 200 and rallies back over 385. No, that's not wrong. It's been there for a long time. It's same price. So that's a neutral. That's 6-0-2. So I'm still undefeated. Yeah, that's not wrong or right because it's been the same price for a long time. Okay, CRM Salesforce. Next up, it's in a third wave to as high as 140 to 150. In probability, 80% chance. I'm sure this is right. This one's, yeah, that's right. We're at a 150. Amazing. My target is 145, 150. It is right there. Okay, 7-0-2. Next up, Baidu. I think this is wrong. Okay, this one's wrong. I'm rooting for wrong ones because I'm right all the time. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm right a lot. Anyway, it's in a wave for a correction that could drop to as low as 67, 69. That's wrong. I'm pretty sure it's wrong. Yeah, it's wrong. Very wrong. 7-1-2. Uh-oh. What's going on? Okay, Sina. Best case scenario for Sina, it's in a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 formation that will break 47 and set up a third wave to as high as 80. Let's find out. Sina. 77. And where was it? It was at 42. Amazing. 8, 1, and 2. That's a call. hit the target. All right. Next up, NetEase. It breaks 47 and sets up a third wave to as high as 78.80. Let's find out. NetEase. Wrong. Wrong. So I'm 7, 2, and 2. No, 8, 2, and 2. All right. Price line. Best case scenario, it's in the wave 3 breakout to as high as 550 and a full upward 3. 75% chance in the best case scenario. All right, price line. 440. Woohoo! And where was it? It was at 290. Now it's 440. That's definitely right. God damn. All right, eBay. Best case scenario, it holds 0.618 at 17. Rise back over 28 to form a third wave to as high as 45.47. 75% chance in the best case scenario. eBay. That's right. It was at, where? 23, and now it's 31. Or hit 31. That's right. 10, 2, and 2. Almost done. F5. Best case scenario, it's in a 3. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. F5. That's wrong. Alright. 10, 3, and 2. Not looking good, Ted. You're not perfect yet. 10, 3, and 2. Alright, IBM. Best case scenario is in a wave 4 that would test and hold 117 and rally back over 133 to form a fifth wave as high as 140, 150. Let's see. Yep, held 117. That's 150, 147. That's correct. 11, 3, and 2. Amazon. Best case scenario, it holds 0.618 at 80 and rallies back over 151. 80 or 106 and rises back over 151 to form a third wave to as high as 250 to 260. 70% chances in best case scenario. Amazon. Whoop. Almost 190. That's correct. 12, 3, and 2. Next. RIM. Worst case scenario, 46 at 0.786 breaks and tests the 3-year low at 37. That's my only bearish one, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Eh. What's the best case scenario? That's about neutral. That's neutral. That's 12, 3, and 3. Because it didn't do anything, really. You can argue that it did, but I'm saying it didn't. Okay, Apple. Best case scenario, it's retracing in a wave 4 that would hold 220 and rally back over 277 and form a fifth wave up to 300. Let's find out. Yep, absolutely correct. 13, 3, and 3. Alright, Google. Best case scenario for Google, it would hold 400 and rally back over 630 to form a third wave. Let's find out. It went from 440 to 620. That's correct. 14, 3, and 3. That's all 20. According to this, 14 divided by 17 is about 82% correct. How do you beat that? Well, I'm going to be creating another one of these top 20 tech wave counts, but they're going to be videos. So you guys can purchase it in the next week or two when I'm done. But as you can see, there's no bullshit. Let me show you this again. File. Top 20. Tech. PDF. Open. It's the same thing. Show you again. Okay, top 20 tech PDF. Created 8:25:10, 7:33 a.m. That's it. That's a wrap.